Hey guys, welcome to Trade in the Charts. My name is Rex, and this is Tesla Weekly Analysis number 35 for week ending June 5, 2021. On Tuesday, Tesla was down 0.2%, closing at 623.90. It is running into resistance once again at both the yellow trend line and the top of the orange channel at around 630. It will need to break above this level if it is to continue its run higher. A break above this level and we will likely see it test the 50-day moving average at around 659. To the downside, the support of the 200-day moving average now currently lies at around 600. On Wednesday, Tesla was down 3%, closing at 605.12. Both the yellow trend line and the top of the orange channel are holding as resistance as Tesla keeps getting rejected by these trend lines. It found support at the 200-day moving average at its intraday lows touching 599. The 200-day moving average needs to hold as support, otherwise Tesla could be in trouble in the short term. Bulls want to see Tesla break out above the yellow trend line and top of the orange channel. Also, the longer it continues to trade below the long-term green uptrend channel, the more bearish the outlook. In my opinion, it will take a big catalyst to get Tesla moving back into a bullish trend. On Thursday, Tesla was down 5.3%, closing at 572.84. It was an ugly day for Tesla as it failed to break out above both the yellow trend line and top of the orange channel. Another bearish indicator in the short term is that it once again failed to hold above support of the 200-day moving average. Bulls would like to see Tesla quickly bounce back above the 200-day moving average, otherwise it could be in for a further drop in the near term. The next potential support comes in at around 550. This 550 level is where the top of the green channel falls at on the monthly chart. It is also where the 50-day moving average falls at on the weekly chart. A break below 550 and we could see Tesla drop to as low as 490, which is the bottom of the orange channel on the daily chart. On Friday, Tesla was up 4.6%, closing at 599.05. It ran into resistance of the 200-day moving average, which previously acted as support, at its intraday highs at around 600. The outlook still looks pretty bearish for the near term as it has broken the long-term uptrend channel shown here in green on May 10. It also broke back below the 200-day moving average on Thursday, but here are a few reasons why I'm still bullish on Tesla at these levels, especially for the long term. The last time Tesla touched the 200-day moving average was on March 18, 2020. What happened from there? Tesla went on a 10-month-long bull rally to all-time highs. I'm not saying this will happen again, but I am saying that good things usually follow after Tesla touches the 200-day moving average. In my opinion, Tesla is currently bouncing above and below the 200-day moving average as if it is trying to consolidate and form a base of support. If Tesla can eventually prove it can stay above the 200-day moving average, we could very well be in for another bull rally. Some resistance levels to look out for is first the 604 level, which is where the 200-day moving average currently lies at. The next resistance level after that comes in where the top of the orange channel and yellow trend line fall at around 625. A break above this level and the next resistance level to look out for is the 50-day moving average at around 656. The real bull case test comes at the resistance level where the bottom of the green channel falls at, which is currently at around 677. A break above that level and Tesla will have broken back into that long-term uptrend channel going back to August of last year. This would be an extremely bullish signal in my opinion. To the downside, I'd like to reiterate these two key points, which suggest that there is a strong support at around 550. First, if we look at the weekly chart, Tesla has found support along the 50-day moving average, which currently lies at around 552. Secondly, if we look at the monthly chart, the top of the green uptrend channel shown here currently falls at around this 550 level as well. thus indicating a potentially strong level of support for Tesla. If that 550 level of support doesn't hold, I can see Tesla dropping to as low as 500, which is the bottom of the orange channel on the daily chart. So those are my price predictions for next week. Bull case, Tesla will need to break above 604. The next hurdle it will need to overcome is the 625 level. A break above that and we will see the next resistance at 656. Finally, in a very bullish case, Tesla will need to break above 677. Bear case, there is strong support at around 550, and a dip below that level, we could see it drop to as low as 500. Now, on to Tesla news. Morgan Stanley's new Tesla research report covers the impact of higher oil price on EVs. The recent increase in oil price significantly improves the payback math for EVs. Jay Leno was featured on Spike's Car Radio. He had this to say about Tesla. I went to the drag strip in the Tesla Model S Plaid. I did one pass and did a 9.247 second quarter mile at 152 miles per hour. And you're talking a four-door car with the AC on. To me, it seems like Tesla is 7 to 8 years ahead of everyone in battery technology. Tesla Model 3 wins the title of best-selling electric car in France. Renault's Zoe dethroned. Since the beginning of the year, the Model 3 has established itself as the best-selling electric car in France. Tesla tops global EV sales in April, holds substantial lead for 2021. According to the latest data from EV Sales Blog, the sub-$5,000 Wuling Hongguang Mini EV continues to be a hot seller, recording nearly 30,000 sales in the month of April. Tesla took the next two spots, with the Model Y leading the Model 3 in overall sales for the month. Volkswagen's ID4 and ID3 ranked at a respectable 4th and 5th. The strong April figures helped maintain Tesla's massive lead at the front of the pack for sales in 2021. There are now over 141,000 new Model 3 owners around the world, accounting for 9% of the global market share. The Model Y sits in third place with more than 72,000 sales, taking up 5% of the market share. When combined, Tesla holds a commanding lead with 216,079 sales in the first 4 months of the year. That figure translates to 14% of all EV sales around the world. Taking out the manufacturer of the Wuling Mini EV, Volkswagen is the next closest manufacturer with less than half the number of sales at 89,655 units. According to a tweet from Tesla owners of Silicon Valley, Vanessa Bryant gave Kobe's sister a new Tesla. The tweet includes a video sharing the moment that Vanessa Bryant gifted the Tesla to Kobe's sister. Tesla's China orders halved in May, internal data show, as crisis deepens. Tesla vehicle orders in China fell by nearly half in May compared to April, according to internal data, as the electric car pioneer grappled with public outcry and government criticism over its handling of consumer complaints. Taken together, the developments put in doubt Tesla's vaunted position and success in the world's biggest electric vehicle market. This China news should be taken with a grain of salt, because Tesla Shanghai on Twitter tweeted, Tesla China sold about 21.8 thousand in May, month over month of 88% growth. As Gary Black tweeted, if Tesla May made in China sales were 21.8 thousand excluding exports, that's almost double Tesla April made in China sales of 11,600 excluding exports. This completely contradicts the news article of Tesla China orders, and could just be another case of bears in shorts trying to push out more FUD. And by the way, if you guys want to support the channel and get a free stock worth up to $221.50, be sure to use my referral link in the description below to sign up for Robinhood. Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more content.